The Universe cards, number 13, Nova. Keyword, growth. Interpretation. When a star becomes a nova, it can dramatically increase in brightness, flaring up for a few days and then gradually fading back to its original size and appearance. There are times in our lives when we too are required to shine brighter and exist with more intensity. These are often times when sudden challenges or crises come upon us. We are required to grow and meet the challenge that life has given us. As with a nova, our psychological growth tends to occur in sudden, dramatic spurts. There can be a long periods of slow, unconscious development, as symbolized by the planet formation card. But there are periods of life where sudden and exponential growth is needed. It is these times of challenge that are symbolized by the Nova card. In the evolution of life on Earth, it is now believed that the process of evolution is not a slow, steady development over eons of time, but instead is characterized by long periods of stability interspersed with sudden spurts of evolution and change. So it is with our psychological development. If you draw the Nova card, number 13, you are being alerted to the fact that you are now entering one of these periods of sudden growth. This card represents an opportunity as well as a challenge. There is unprecedented potential in the Nova card if you are willing to meet it. This is not a time to sit on your laurels and go for the safe option. Indeed, this may be a time of great anxiety for you. All that you believed about yourself and about life seems in a state of continual flux. You may feel like retreating into a safe corner and hiding. But to get the most out of this time, you must stand up and look life squarely in the face. You are being challenged to expand your sense of who you are, to develop your potential, and to embrace your entirety of yourself. In order to do this, you must let go of any restricting beliefs you have about yourself. These beliefs may be safe and comfortable, but they are holding you back. It is this letting go of restrictions that produces anxiety in many of us. However, coping with anxiety and fear is part of the growth process represented by this card. If you can accept your fear without letting it rule you, whilst at the same time embracing this time of growth, then you can truly fulfill the potential represented by the Nova card.